Hello viewers, welcome back to the Cakers channel. Have you ever made a cake and you were asked how many servings will I be able to get from that cake? Or as a customer, have you ever bought a cake and wondered how many people this cake will serve? If the answer to that question is a yes, please stay to the end of this video to see how I got 28 or 56 slices from this cake. If you like the content that I share on this channel, please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This will help me to create more educational videos for you all. Let's get into this video. So when you make a cake or buy a cake, all the beautiful decorations can sometimes get in the way of you properly cutting the cake. So after the celebrant has taken out a slice or just make a cut for the audience, then you can remove all the edible or inedible toppings from the cake and then begin cutting. This is my tried, tested, and proven best way to get the maximum servings from your cake, and in the end everyone will be happy, because with this method of cutting your cake, you will have some cuts that has loads of frosting or fondant, some cuts that don't really have a lot, and people can get a chance to choose which slice will be best for them. With this method, I cut across my cake, laid flat, so you can use an additional cake board to support this method of cutting, and then I cut 1.1 or 1 times 1 inches cuts from the cake. These are perfect serving size. Believe me, when you're having an event, people most times get food to eat before they get a taste of the cake, and that's all they really need, just to taste the cake. They don't want a belly full from the cake. So this sizing is perfect for any occasion. If this is a kids party, after cutting your cake like what I'm doing now, you can further go ahead and cut those slices in half. And believe me, their little tummies will be full and happy after eating those tiny cubes of cakes. And with this method of cutting, the celebrants can finally get a chance to take home a piece of their cake without having to cut and share the entire cake with the guest of the party. So yes, you are seeing right. Just now, I completely cut an 8-inch cake. So it's an 8-inch round cake, 4 layers in height, and I got 28 slices from this cake that can feed adults. And if you go ahead and cut them in half like I did for the kids servings, you can serve 56 kids with one 8-inch round cake. Isn't that amazing? So if you like this video and you like the content that I create, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing videos. Please stay a bit longer on this YouTube channel by clicking the link to those videos at the end and watch them. Until next time, keep on baking.